Hello guys, I'm just trying to install a vRA at my home lab. Let's see how it goes. So what I have done right now is I have already installed. Let me close this, So I have one vCenter where I have just one ESX as of now, and I've installed the appliance already, and there is also a Windows box. I'm running everything in a workstation, so I'll just power on the workstation. So it's a mix and match. So I'm running some part component under a vCenter server, that is a vRA appliance, whereas the IS server is going to run in a workstation. So everything is on the network, on a common network. So let me power on the Windows box and meanwhile start the installation. So after installation of this appliance, we will get into this page. So let's log in. So don't ask me that how you came to know about the URL, but I'll just show you. It's even in the documentation page, but just to show you, once your installation of the appliance is complete, this looks like this, and it says https 10.0.0.50. Then the port number is 5480. So let's go. Let me log in. And since this is a vRA 7, once my appliance load, and it will automatically open a wizard. Yes, I thought it was not going to open. Anyway, let's begin. Sometime actually my last installation, it was having up some issues and it not came up. So let's go next. So we have to accept it. So I'm doing a minimal deployment. For an enterprise, you require multiple VMs and all those things you have to do. Install infrastructure as a service. So if you already have, and it's a secondary deployment, so you can do like that, and you can see once we uncheck it, lots of option goes off for installation. But yes, guys, this is the option which make our installation of vRA is much more simpler, and really thanks to VMware to understand the problem of installing it. So let's go next. Yeah, so once this is done, we need to download one file, which is here. Start download, open folder, and let me copy it to my remote desktop, to that server which I am supposed to install it. Just now we powered on that server. I'm going to so this instance is from my last installation, which I'm just going to delete now. So the time we complete with the installation, let me go back. Sorry, the time we are complete with the installation of that particular thing, the IS manager management agent, it will automatically populate here. So IS host name, last connected, and time. So let's go and complete this. Change. I'm again going back, guys, because I want to tell you my next option will not populate until unless this comes out here. Okay, so let's go back and give vRA plans. So here is example how exactly it should be. So https so vRA 70. Let's load. If something goes wrong, yes, means my These details are correct. Let's go next. Let's give the administrator password. We're good here. And install. So let's installation begin, and we'll just have a look out here if something comes up. Guys, this setup has really helped us a lot to make the things simpler and easier. Finish, and it should come there. Yes, we can see here the options is here. Let's go next. Prerequisite checker, let's run it. Most probably my prerequisite checker will say that everything is successful. Most of the chance, yes, it will say. If not, you're supposed to first of all run it, check it. If the prerequisites are not met, then you are going to fix it. So let's see what does it say for me. Yep. So meanwhile, let me log into my vCenter server. I just want to do some database check, like if some old data are there, I want to just delete all those databases. So we are here. It's loading. My God, I'm having vRA DBS. It's a large amount of things I have. Let me delete one by one. These are created, actually I was trying to create a database, and my vRA installation or the old, see, these are for weak Axum 6.0 and these are for 6.2. so I just simply deleting those because I don't need them right now. Let's go ahead with installation of that and see if it automatically creates a database, or we have to actually go ahead and create and just link the path. So okay, cleanup is done. That's some progress. So guys, just to tell you, my vCenter, everything is 6.0. So with vSphere, that's 6.0, and the ESX also says it's ESX 6.0. That's a build number. See, status says okay for me. All the prerequisites are already executed. So I'm just expecting you to if these are unchecked, then click on fix, let everything to be installed and have a green mark here, and then proceed with the next. Resolve the host automatically. Let it resolve automatically. We have already created the DNS entries. Make sure you do all. So I have to give a password. Please enter this tenant. So I'm giving one password for my default tenant, which will be created by default. Okay, so let's give some complex password. It says below that I have to choose a complex password, so I thought of give my default password, but no. So guys, I'm just trying to make one default password for entire lab so that it does not become confusing after a week or two I'm powering on my lab. So it should not, I should not forget the password. So let's see. So we seems to be okay. So here was the place where I was getting stuck because my DNS entry was not proper last time. And finger crossed, please cross this. Yes, it crossed. So I have to give the server name. Database name be vRA, create new database, use Windows authentication. If I uncheck it, it will ask, I'll give my let me manually put that, and next SQL server. We are back to the video. I was trying to identify the issue, what was an issue here when I was giving the vCenter name, and when I was trying to type the full FQDN or something like that. I don't know what is wrong with it, but it was giving me trouble. But when I just give the host name and do next, voila, it will be done. You can see I just went to next state. That's what it says as a tick mark. So let's wait. Okay, so it's for the dem worker. I think so. Wow, battery low. MacBook 5%. Let's see how long it goes. Or better, let me put a charger. So here comes the information of the agent. So IS hostname, vCenter Name, endpoint, all the information you need to provide. Yes, boosting. I don't think so. We need to give this vCenter name. If I click next, it's actually asking me the vCenter name. But it should be more descriptive, what I feel. Oopsie. So I'll give the organization name. So common name, you can say it's already existing, vRA 70. Because of that, previously it used to be lots of drama while deploying the VM. So sometimes you'll stuck in that just generating a certificate, and if a certificate is not proper, you will have to face lots of problems. So guys, it's a test lab, so it's taking this much time. I don't think so it's actually going to take this much time. Yep. Looks good. Next. Web certificate. So guys, you can even have a look to the VR installation document. First of all, let's go to the release document and have a look to it. Meanwhile, let's just keep loading. So why I'm looking for a release date, I need release notes. So I don't want to go to a see that. So here is this. So I think this is a pretty good page where you can find all about vRA 7.0. So here is most out of it. Severalized automation information center, support matrix. It's a good document. Let's cross it. Let's see what's the current status, and we'll walk through it. Yeah, this is all set. Next. How many certificates, guys? This is 3 certificates. That's okay, that's cool. At least it's much easier than before to generate. C has been fully tested by quality assurance and decade certified, supported but not certified, not supported due to the test result, and not have been fully tested or not available configuration. So Windows 2012 Service Pack 2 including Service Packs. So these are quality ensured. So for this, so we should either go for 2012 R2 or R2. S means supported, but they are not certified. So let's not go to that. Okay. All set. Next. The validation process can take 10 minutes and half an hour. Click validate to trigger the validation. So guys, I'll stop or pause the video right here. I'll resume back when this validation is done. Let's hold on a while and let's see how exactly it goes. Meanwhile, we'll just, see. So these are the complete step. It is going to validate whatever the information we provided are okay to proceed. So yeah, let's wait. And let's go through this. Host database support. So I'm currently using 2014. It is fully certified and it's okay. So till 2012, it's fully certified and supported. So currently I'm just talking about vRA 7.0 because we're doing that. Host page database service, Java components, nothing. These are all not at all supported. Authentication, Active Directory, 2012, 2008 R2 are completely supported, and N, these guys are N. SSO 5.5, these all things. Identity appliance 6.0 is also not even supported. So guys, it means that we have to only have these three services which are actually supported for authentication purposes for vRA 7.0. My identity appliance, all those are not going to work out here. So it may be like they might have launched identity appliance 7.0 or something, but I've not had a look on that. But yeah, so according to the sheet, the support matrix, this is how it looks. IS 2012 2008 R2 is supported, but it's not. So it requires 7.5 or above than that. Okay. Internet Explorer, Firefox, most of the times it will be updated. It's for hypervisor support. So, my god. So it's supported and they are certified 3.1, but not this guys. Nice. Hyper-V 2008 R2, it's not supported. Service Pack 1 on supported. 2012 R2 not supported. Really? It's not? Okay. That's something weird. I think they may be working on this and some revised document need to be updated. So, SCVMM 2012 Hyper-V only is supported and certified. So let's directly add that one rather than this. Delrax. These are not supported as of now, but they are supported in 6.2. UCS Manager is not supported. That's nice. But these are supported. Okay, that looks good. Cloud component. No, CC. Okay. Image deployment. SCVM 2012 are supported. These are Flex clone, Citrix version 7.6 is supported, 5.6 is not supported. That looks good. Okay, seed star. N C star 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 star. I don't understand. 6.1 is supported and 6.2 is not. 6.3 is not. Again, 6.4 is supported. That's awesome. I certify. So it's a big chunk of list. So 6.0. No, 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 no. I think this ESX host can be manageable or not. I'm not understanding this completely. Vim agent support. Okay. Integrated third-party support. Physical only. So deployment method Pixie boot is supported for ESX, SCVM. It's not. Pixie is supported on this. SCVM via Pixie is supported by Windows and Linux, but ESX all with this. So this is, I think, the best one. Okay. So this is a nice reference architecture. Once something. Oh, we are done here. That's awesome. Next. All got succeeded. So create a snapshot it's talking about, and it has given a big image out here at how to take a snapshot. Thank you, VMware, to letting us know how to take a snapshot, and we have to take it. Actually, I'm just looking because I just right-clicked on it. Take snapshot. It's an AP snap with AP. I'm not going to take the memory. I really don't want to have a memory. So snapshot is done. Now here comes the installation details. So retry failed button allow you to retry the single or multiple failed component depending upon the reason of failure, or some command would not be retried if it failed or enabled you to can retry. So retry all IS. So these are the few options. Let's install it. Because our validation and everything is passed, I don't think so we are going to face any issue. But there are cases when you are doing some manual installation or additional installation, or sometime you may face such issues. So maybe it's because of that that you can go there, modify the IS component, and then you can come back and just run it again. Yep, my installation process started. So guys, I'll just walk through that release notes. So why I always recommend to read the release note, because you will come to know about the known issues. So once you go through a known issue, you will automatically come to know what kind of errors I'm actually facing and how can I resolve those things. So are there any fix out there in the market, or it's just you have to do it by yourself, or it cannot be done, you have to find some alternate solutions to it. So the known issues during installation, during the upgrade or configuring or provisioning. So you can find out all the issues. So during the upgrades, we have some record all the blueprints and machine are configured with the private network. So you may face something around that. So you can always refer this document as in first place for doing any kind of installation or an upgrade. And once you review this, you'll come to know, okay, this is what I need. So this is one thing. Okay, system requirement. So So where exactly the system requirement? So you can go to support matrix, the document which we downloaded just now as a support matrix, so we can find out that which exactly database to be used, Windows Server to be used, and all those blah blah stuff to be used. So everything is done. So that's okay. And system requirement installation. So I was just referring to this installation document. Uh, so always have a look to this document before going ahead with installation, especially in the case of an enterprise or a bigger installation, because it's going to tell you the exact way of designing it, because the way vRA 6.2 was there and this 7.0 is there, it's a big difference in that, in an overall design, because you can find the design difference in 5.5 of vCenter and 6.0, and this vCenter 7.0 is completely using a platform of 6.0 and enhancing it. So when this was released, you had lots of thing as a document available. I'll try to post on the blog, guys. If I get something good, I'll just mention the URLs. There are many good URLs out here. So this pubs is completely on vRA 7.0 information. So let me shrink it and show you. So foundation and concepts, planning, resource, installing, upgrading, configuring realize automation, providing on-demand services to the user, managing realize automation, custom property references, lifecycle extensibility, developer resources. So all these options are lying there, guys. So whatever you feel, whatever you think, you can easily get everything. So they are in a PDF format. Yeah, this was something we used to use. Default tenants, so business group are here, fabric groups are here, reservations, and they're using infrastructure fabrics. So fabrics are nothing but the physical servers, public clouds, and hypervisors. They all are under infrastructure fabrics, and there's fiber groups are created which are used by the business groups. And this is default tenant, okay, which we created again. I think this is a little complex part of it. So role overview. So infrastructure administrator and the fabric administrator access blueprint architects and architects. So now the roles have also been changed, guys. I'll just mention the URL where you can just refer it. The catalog administrator, approval administrator approves, catalog item, business groups, supported users, and business users. So these are the roles now. Guys, I'll just mention all the URLs so that it will be much more easier for you to just refer the talks. Let's see where our installation. So I'll just stop my video here, right, guys, and we'll be back when installation is. So guys, installation is complete. It really took a hell lot of time, guys. It really took a lot of times. So if you want to collect the logs, you can collect, and everything has succeeded. Let's go next. Licensing. This is the must part. You have to do this. So I will I need to check out the licensing, but I should be having it. Um, can I go ahead now and put the license letter on? I think so, I can do that. Let's go next. If it's must, then I will put it. No. So enable customer experience improvement program. I don't need it right now. So initial content configuration. So let's set the password. Initial content configuration. Password is too weak. Okay. But this should not be weak. Let's see how much time does it take. It should not take much time. Still shares 0%. So guys, this installation is complete, and you can see the initial content configuration 100%. Let's click next, and if there's nothing else to be done, congratulations, you have successfully installed the environment. So for today, for this video, we'll just wrap it off, and the next week I'm going to do the second part where we'll be walking through the configuration part of it. So guys, this video, what I made was a first time walkthrough for vRA 7.0. It's same as new as you, so I might made this video a little kiddish because it's the first time I am doing the installation and first time the preview. So I'll be expecting the same kind of a feedback from you. So please write down some comments, what I can improve or what extra you can give your suggestions, what I missed, what else configuration I should have considered. So please leave down your comments below, and I'll definitely make the next part video. I'm going to use those suggestions, those comments on that I have got those all feedbacks. And I want to really also appreciate you guys for subscribing my channel and watching the videos and really giving me good feedbacks. And some guys have also requested for some suggestions and some things, so I'll definitely get back to them. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.